Hello Zoran, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2013 Artic XF1100 Turbo. Has 1,988 miles and the price is $82.88 plus taxes and license. The unit looks very clean. And also you have on the track ice scraper. The unit is available. If you want to just get more information about this unit, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. And I'm very happy to assist you, and thank you for contacting us at Boss Motors.